Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 22 Interjections. Let's get started. Let's read this sentence. Ouch, I fell down. Hooray, we have won the match. Las, I broke my favorite toy. Shh, the children are sleeping. Now answer these questions. Which word in the first sentences shows that the boy is hurt? Ouch. Ouch. Which word in the second sentences shows that the team is happy? Hooray. Which word in the third sentences shows that the girl is sad? Las. Which word in the fourth sentences says that everyone should keep quiet? Shh. So now, what is interjection? Interjections which shows a sudden or surprise strong feelings. Okay. We always add a exclamation mark after the interjection. Understood? Circle the interjections in the sentences, then rewrite them after inserting exclamation mark at the right place. Oops, the floor is very slippery. Oops is an interjection. Oops. The floor is very slippery. What, you lost your phone again? What? You lost your phone again? Ouch, I have hurt myself. Ouch, I have hurt myself. Alas, my pet cat ran away yesterday. Wow, this is a beautiful dress. Wow is an interjection. Hey, give me my book back. Shh, keep quiet. Bravo, you did very well in the exams. Hi, how are you? Yippee! We are going to Italy for a holiday. Understood? This is about a interjections. Tomorrow we will see punctuations. Okay? Thank you.